This is how Japanese sushi is made. In Japan, sushi chefs are some of the most respected people in the culinary world. Sushi is considered a traditional Japanese dish that consists of vinegared rice topped with a slice of fish or other ingredients. But it's so much more than just a simple dish. It's an art form. The presentation of sushi is as important as its taste, and only the highest quality ingredients will do. In this video, we'll show you how real Japanese sushi is made from scratch. Let's get ready to learn from the best. The first step in making sushi is to prepare the rice. Sushi rice is a special type of short-grain rice that is higher in starch and lower in protein than other types of rice. This gives it a unique texture that is essential for sushi. To make sushi rice, the rice is first washed until the water runs clear. Then it's cooked in a rice cooker with a specific ratio of water to rice. Once the rice is cooked, it's transferred to a large bowl and a sushi vinegar is added. The rice is then seasoned with salt and sugar, and the sushi chef uses a special tool called a sushi paddle to mix it all together. The rice is then left to cool down before it's used to make sushi. Next, let's talk about the toppings. Sushi can be topped with a variety of ingredients, but in this video, we'll focus on nigiri sushi, which is a type of sushi that has a small mound of rice topped with a slice of fish. The most popular type of fish used for sushi is tuna, but other popular choices include salmon, yellowtail, and mackerel. In addition to fish, sushi can also be topped with other ingredients, such as boiled egg, crab, or avocado. To make the perfect topping, the fish must be fresh, high quality, and properly prepared. The fish is first trimmed of any excess fat or skin, and then it is sliced into thin pieces using a very sharp knife. The slices should be thin enough to be translucent, and the edges should be smooth and even. Nigiri sushi is one of the most popular types of sushi, and it's also one of the easiest to make. To make nigiri sushi, the sushi chef uses a special tool called a sushi rolling mat to form the sushi. The mat is covered with a thin layer of plastic wrap, and a small amount of rice is placed in the center. The rice is then formed into a small oval shape and pressed firmly. A slice of fish is placed on top of the rice, and the sushi chef uses a damp cloth to remove any excess moisture from the fish. The sushi is then topped with a small amount of wasabi, which is a green, pungent paste made from the root of the wasabi plant. Finally, the sushi is dipped into a mixture of soy sauce, and the sushi chef uses a pair of chopsticks to place it on a plate. Making sushi takes a lot of skill and precision. But with the right ingredients and tools, anyone can make delicious sushi at home. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced sushi chef, there's always something new to learn about this ancient art form. So next time you enjoy a piece of sushi, take a moment to appreciate the skill and artistry that went into making it. Now let's move on to the next step in making sushi, which is the preparation of the fish. As I mentioned earlier, the quality of the fish is crucial to the final product. To ensure the freshest fish, many sushi restaurants have a close relationship with local fishermen who catch the fish and deliver it directly to the restaurant. Once the fish arrives at the restaurant, it's immediately checked for quality. The fish should be firm, moist, and have a fresh, clean smell. Any fish that doesn't meet these standards is immediately discarded. After the quality check, the fish is cleaned and trimmed. Any bones or other debris are removed, and the fish is cut into thin slices using a very sharp knife. The thickness of the slices is important. They should be thin enough to be translucent, but not so thin that they fall apart. One of the most important aspects of preparing fish for sushi is the way it's cut. The knife used for cutting fish for sushi is incredibly important. It should be very sharp and made of a hard, durable material. The blade should be long and thin, which allows for precise cuts. The handle should be comfortable to grip and made of a non-slip material. The sushi chef must use a proper cutting technique to ensure the fish is cut evenly and efficiently. This involves using the entire length of the blade and keeping the knife at a slight angle to the cutting board. The sushi chef should also apply a gentle but firm pressure when cutting to avoid tearing the fish. It's important to note that different types of fish require different cutting techniques. For example, fatty fish like salmon and tuna should be cut against the grain to prevent the sushi from falling apart. And that's a wrap on our sushi making journey. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you're feeling inspired to make sushi at home, we encourage you to try it out. You may be surprised at how easy it is to make this traditional Japanese dish. Just remember to use fresh, high-quality ingredients And don't be afraid to experiment with different toppings. Who knows? Might even become a sushi chef yourself. Just kidding. But seriously, have fun and enjoy the process of making sushi. It's a great way to relax and connect with friends and family. Plus, you'll have a delicious meal to show off your skills.